planet is beautiful, but it's struggling. Improper garbage disposal is choking our communities and harming our environment.
But there's hope! We can change this!
I'm here to talk about something vital. Proper garbage disposal is not just about keeping our streets clean, it's also about protecting our health and our planet.
First, education. Many people just don't know how to recycle or compost properly. We need clear, accessible information, simple guidelines, and online resources to empower everyone to make responsible choices.
Second, infrastructure. We need more and better recycling and composting bins, efficient waste collection services, and proper facilities for hazardous waste. It's about making it easy and convenient for everyone to do the right thing.
And finally, community engagement. We need to work together. Community cleanup events, awareness campaign, and local initiative can create a culture of responsibility. It's about building a community that cares for its environment.
Together, we can make a difference. Learn more about proper garbage disposal. Build a cleaner, healthier future, one responsible choice at a time.
It's easier than you think to make a positive impact on our planet. Together,